We're going to solve another addition rule problem. So if you have a question that says, what addition rule was used for the table below? You take a look at the table and there's an in column and an out column. So you take a look at the first row. You start off with 20, but then you end up with 45. So how does that happen? So if you remember some of your addition facts, to get from 20 to 45, you can add 10 each time to 20. So 30, 40, we just added 20 to 20. And then to get to 45, you would add just 5 more. So for this, you would add 25. Then for the next row, we have 26 and 51. So if we go from 25 to 50, we would add 25. That's another addition trick that I taught you in one of my other videos. But another way you could do it is the same way as you did the one above. Keep adding 10 to this. So 26 will become 36, then 46. So how do you get from 46 to 51? You add another 5, so that totals 25. And you would do the same thing for this. And you'll notice 41, 51, 61, and then add 5 more to get 66. So it's plus 25. So the addition rule is add 25 to the in column each time. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewind the video and watch it again. Practice makes improvement.